In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss, and George Headley Primary won and decided to send Great Start Academy first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Great Start Academy and Bible knowledge. How many times did Jesus tell his disciples to forgive?
700 times. 700 times.
Incorrect, it's 70 times 7. George Headley. The parable of the Good Samaritan was told in reply to which question?
Who is thy neighbor? Who is thy neighbor?
Correct. International affairs is a visual. Great start. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Angola. Angola.
That is correct. George Headley. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Zambia. Zambia.
That is correct. Science for Great Start. When iodine reagent is added directly on a piece of bread, what color results?
Bluish black. Blue black.
Correct. George Headley. What is the name of the test when iodine reagent is added directly on a piece of bread, resulting in a blue-black color?
Starch test.
That's right. Television, another visual for Great Start. Look at the monitor and identify the cartoon character.
Guess something. Goofy. Goofy.
Incorrect, it's Spike from the Rugrats. George Headley, look at the monitor and identify the cartoon character.
Courage the dog. Courage the dog.
That is correct. English language, Great Start. Using the word stomach, give an idiom which means to be nervous.
Butterflies in your stomach. To have butterflies in your stomach.
That is correct. George Headley, using the word moon, give an idiom which means something which rarely happens.
Once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon.
That's right. Great Start, sports, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Guess something. Max Verstappen. Lewis Hamilton.
Incorrect, it's Charles Leclerc, the Formula One driver. George Headley, look at the monitor and identify the person.
Max Verstappen. Max Verstappen.
Incorrect, it's Lando Norris, the Formula One driver. General knowledge, Great Start. In what month is Martin Luther King Day celebrated in the United States of America?
January. January.
That's right. George Headley, in what month is Independence Day celebrated in the United States of America?
July. July.
That's correct. Social studies for Great Start. Which Jamaican parish is bordered by St. Anne to the north and St. Catherine to the east?
Clarendon. Clarendon.
That is correct. Social studies for George Headley. Which Jamaican parish is bordered by St. Anne in the east and St. James in the west?
Trelawney.
Correct. Music for Great Start. What is the surname of the American R&B singing sisters Chloe and Halle?
Bailey. Bailey.
Correct. Music for George Headley. What is the surname of the American gospel singing sisters known as Mary Mary?
Kennedy.
Incorrect, it's Campbell. Mathematics for Great Start. What is the sum of 12.45 and 19.77?
Calm.
32.22.
That is correct. George Headley, what is the sum of 23.87 and 48.34?
72.21.
That is correct. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Great Start Academy on 7 and George Headley Primary on 8. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Teach someone else what you have learned. It's a great way to reinforce your understanding. Stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.